How are you all doing? So this is a pretty awesome moment for me because I'm taking my bike out after nearly 2 months. You know, much before the lockdown was imposed in our country, India. You know, I had been riding much. Thank you. So yeah, stepping out with all the riding gear and feels incredible. Just a feeling of getting the gears on and then onto the bike and hearing this inline 4 Symphony with an Acropovich full system just makes things a lot sweeter. What's up, people? So we're going for a short spin today, and look who I found. Rebel, aka Yes. So the exhaust that Yash is riding on his 3SSS is TOS. And from the manufacturer, we've heard that it's the one and only in India on a 3SSS. I've got a few people, you know, who've got such unique systems, like Ravi, who has a CS Manto on his Z900, and Yash, who has a TOS. Looks beautiful. What do you think? So we're headed towards rendezvous point, and I guess it's an all triple battle today, huh? We have 2 triple RS, 1S, and the lone Kawasaki so far. Let's see who else joins up. This part of the road is always tricky, very bouncy, given that my suspension is hard. So the rider ahead of me is T.R.I.B.E, whom I've known since a couple of months now. So I met him at IVW Goa. He came back from Rajasthan while I was en route Rajasthan, and we're all part of the same group, that is T.R.I.B.E. You must have known the guy on RS is Symphony, who has 2 bikes. Today he's on RS, and another one is Africa Twin. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಡೆದ ಅದೊಂದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್. Hello.
Hey, what's happening?
What's happening? That is Raghu. I can say I'm privileged because usually after a breakfast ride or a long ride, you know, the after ride is pretty bad because you are mostly stuck in traffic. But look at this for a view. This is T.R.I.B.E forest, pretty close to where I stay. And you know, since I've been doing a lot of rides on my Kawasaki Z900, the after rides have been very pleasant for me. So usually I take the nice road and then exit at Sompura junction and then come to this. It's so peaceful to ride through here, just looking at the greenery, the green belt. Such a good feeling. This is the small forest area outside of Bengaluru. T.R.I.B.E forest, people. Whoa, that felt really good. Going for a short spin around the city. Hope you all are doing safe and sound. So until next video, take care.